Adik, adik.
Oh, Diyos ko, sana. Yung mali.
Kuya Romy, Lina,
Sana yung
congratulations
Congratulations.
from Massachusetts. Ito pa ako congratulate sa inyo, mga kapatid ko. Yan.
Kapatid ko.
Ay, manak. Ay, Kuya Romy.
Lina. Lina?
Lina, congratulations
Congratulations.
on your wedding day.
Ang kapatid ko.
Ikatas.
Ano nila bukas? Celebration. Nong, sa honeymoon nyo, wag nyo kaming kalimutan, sama nyo kami.
Bakit niyo isasama yun sa honeymoon?
Para tagabilang. Scorer kami.
Ingat kayo dyan. I love you both.
We love you.
Okay,
No.
congratulations.
Enjoy your day.
Okay, see you on maybe Friday.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Auntie Tess, Tito Romy. I'm pretty sure that you are more than ecstatic with this new adventure. And alam ko po that the adjustment won't be that easy. But it's gonna be with grace because God is there to always guide you. I know, Auntie Tess, that God will use you to demonstrate love to Tito Romy, and that Tito Romy will be the one to help you also understand that, submission is not a matter of who is right or who knows more, but it is just the design that wives should submit to the husband. Although senior na po tayo, still, hindi po tayo exempted to follow the Bible. Up until the end, we are God's children. And I pray, Auntie Tess, that you will always be the model of love to Tito Romy. And Tito Romy, I speak health all the days of your life, that you will not encounter any kind of accident, and that you will eventually understand the greater love of Christ in your life through Auntie Tess. And Auntie Tess, as you adjust there in the States, I pray that you will always remember that everything you will go through in the States, all the fun, all the joy, all the travel, everything there, they are nothing compared to your relationship with God. And so, don't forget, Auntie Tess, to always put God first. I mean, I know you know that, but in practice, I pray that you will always seek God, talk to God, and remain in your relationship with God. I love you, Auntie Tess. Words are not enough, but yun, thank you. Thank you for being my second mom. Enjoy your time there. And I know in time, Rob will also be with the three of you, the four of you. Yun lang. I love you, Auntie Tess. And of course, I love you, Tito Romy. And you, Riza and Axel. Have an amazing celebration. Congratulations again.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo, Chong, Tita Lina. Kami po ay bumabati ng maligayang pag-isang dibdib. Masaya po kami na pati na kayo ng pamilya namin.
We are looking forward po, Tita Lina, celebrating special occasions with you, especially this coming Thanksgiving and Christmas. Our entire family wishes you both a lifetime of love and happiness. Cheers to many years of togetherness. So let's raise our glass.
Mabuhay
ang bagong kasal.
Cheers.
Congratulations po and best wishes.
Congratulations to the newlywed kay Romy at Tess. Best prayer sa inyong dalawa. papayo ko, unsolicited advice. Sa inyong pagsasama, dapat may third party po talaga. Para hindi masira yung pagsasama, kailangan ng third party. At yung third party na yon ay walang iba kundi si Jesus. Dapat siya po yung maging center ng inyong marriage. God bless po.
Hello, Chang, Chong. Congratulations sa wedding nyo. Nice ko din i-welcome si Chang Lina sa pamilya natin. Sana mapadalas ang pagsalo-salo natin. I wish you both good health and happiness. And sana you found love in a hopeless place. Char!
Congratulations, Chong, Chan.
Happy honeymoon to both of you.
Love you both.
Congratulations. We love you.
Congratulations po, Tita Tess and Tito Romy. May your marriage be filled with joy, laughter, and endless love. Again, congratulations po and best wishes to both of you.
Hi Tita! Hi Paps! Congratulations po sa wedding nyo. Masayang-masaya po kami para sa inyo. At sa wakas, bless na po ni Lord yung pagmamahalan nyo. Sobrang happy po kami na makasama po namin kayo dito sa US. Matagal na po namin pinapangarap yun. Yun po, andito lang po kami lagi para sa inyo. Kami po yung magiging mga anak nyo dito sa US. Ayan, I love you both po, Tita and Paps. God bless you po.
Congratulations, Tita, Paps. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi lumalaki na po yung family rin natin dito sa US. And nakakatuwa na syempre nabasbasan na po ni Lord yung pag-iisang dibdib ninyo. At sama-sama po nating ipag-pray na lagi po tayong gagabayan ni Lord. Laging si Lord yung nasa gitna ng ating mga relasyon, na maging gabay yung kanyang mga words, na maging mas rooted pa tayo sa mga gawi ng Panginoon. Congratulations po ulit and mahal namin kayo.
I love you, Tita. I love you, Paps.
Hi, Tita Tess and Paps. Congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. Lalo po sana ninyong mahalin ang isa't isa, alagaan. Paps, alam ko naman hindi mo pababayaan si Tita Tess at naway lalo niyo pa po siyang mahalin. From the very first time po na na-meet ko kayo, sa totoo lang, I know Tita Tess is in good hands. Yan, magmahalan po kayong dalawa, alagaan niyo po ang isa't isa. Naway next time po sa mga ganitong magagandang celebrations ay magkakasama na po tayo at hindi na lang sa video call. Yan, we missed you all and we love you. See you soon.
Hi Tita Tess and Pops, congratulations po on your wedding. Best wishes and God bless you both. I hope and I pray that you will have a fruitful life and a joyful life together. God bless you both and stay safe always. Bye po.
Hello po Tita Tess and Pops. Love is not about how many days, months, or years you've been together. Love is about how much you love each other every single day. Congratulations po Tita Tess and Pops on your beautiful journey together. Wishing you both a lifetime filled with endless love, joy, and happiness. Cheers to your new adventure as a married couple. So Tita Tess, just sit back and relax. Huwag po kayong mag-alala kay Rob. Alagaan ko po. At iingatan ko yung pamangkin ko, Tita. Enjoy nyo po yung vacation nyo dyan, Tita. Congratulations po again, Tita Tess and Pop.
Congratulations po, Tita Tess and Pops. Best wishes po. God bless your marriage and may you have a joyful and wonderful years ahead together. Enjoy your vacation po dyan sa US. Keep safe po.
Hi Tita Tess and Tito Romy. Congratulations on your wedding day. Thank you sa pag-alaga, sa pag-aruga sa amin nung time na halos every weekend dyan kami natutulog sa inyo. Ako, si Love, si Mau, and we hope na, of course, you're happy and your wedding will be filled with joy and laughter. Sana magkita tayo ng sa mata na kasama si Sister and si Robbie Boy. And we miss you so much. Again, congratulations, Tita and Tito Romy, and enjoy. Bye-bye. Love you, miss you.
Hi, Tita Tess. Congratulations po on your beautiful wedding. I am overjoyed to hear about this wonderful milestone in your life. Sobrang saya po nung na-share siya sa amin ni Sis Riza. It's a privilege to be given a chance to share you this message, to send you our love. Wala man kami dyan, Tita, to celebrate with you physically on this special day, but please do know that we are celebrating with you wholeheartedly, Tita. And gusto ko magpasalamat, Tita, sa lahat ng kabutihan, for all the love, for all the care that you have shown us, me and Lloyd po, no? For treating us like your own children. I hope to see you soon, Tita, para makabawi naman kami sa iyo, Tita. Salamat na marami sa lahat, and I wish you and Tito Romy endless joy, love, and laughter in the years to come. I'm happy to see you embracing this new chapter in your life, Tita. And I pray to God that your days with Tito Romy and the family would be filled with cherished moments, and that your hearts would be filled with everlasting happiness, Tita. Sending you all the best wishes and love from the Philippines, Tita, from me and Lloyd. Salamat na marami sa lahat. God bless. Thank you, Tita, for everything. Best wishes po. I love you. Mwah.
Hello, Tita. Best wishes. Congratulations. Finally, kasal ka na. Love you, Tita. I hope magkita kayo ni Rob. Makasama niyo na si Rob. Kayong lahat. Si Riza, si Axel, kayo po, and your new hubby. Okay. Love you, Tita. And to your new husband, alagaan mo si Tita. Lagot ka sa akin po. Kahit po mas matanda kayo sa akin. Okay. Congratulations. See you soon, everyone. Axel, Riza. Bye.
Hi, Ate Tess. Good morning. Time check po. It's 12:55 a.m. sa Kadiwa. Pero hindi pa rin mapipigilan nun ang mainit na pagbati ko sa iyo ng congratulations on your new journey with your husband. Naway pagpalain ni Lord ang pagsasama ninyo, at nawa itong union nyo ay lalong magpalalim at magpatibay ng pananampalataya nyo sa Panginoon. Once again, congrats po and God bless. Bye-bye po.
Best wishes. Tapos, enjoy mo lang yung honeymoon mo.
Life of a winner. Enjoy sa kayong dalawang mga maging maligaya sa inyong honeymoon.
Hello po, Ate Tess. Best wishes po sa iyo at sa groom mo. Miss you po.
Hello, Ate Tess. Congratulations po sa newlywed. Iyon po, and mamimiss ka mo namin dito, pero alam namin na mas happy and mas maganda yung araw-araw mo dyan with your husband. Ayan, and don't worry kay Rose. Ayan, nandito ang Cluster Time family. Mamimiss ka namin. And enjoy dyan. God bless you!
Enjoy po sa new journey po sa new life. And congratulations din po at nawa ay grace ng ating Panginoon at magmamahalan po mag-asawa ay hindi po magmaliw sa paglipas ng mga panahon. At congratulations po ulit. I love you.
Gusto ka, best wishes, at congratulations sa inyo. Stay in love and stay beautiful.
Hello, Ate Tess, Kuya Romy. Happy wedding po. Best wishes po sa inyo. God bless. Hello, Ate Tess. Best wishes po. God bless.
Hey, Nanay Tess. Best wishes and God bless to your romantic relationship. Enjoy mo po dyan at saka see you soon. God bless.
Hi, Ate Tess. Happy wedding sa inyo ni Kuya Romy, and I hope na ma-enjoy nyo yung inyong marriage life. Bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng kalakasan para ma-enjoy ang bawat isa. And also, sa family nyo, kila Ate
mag-iisa, ma-enjoy nyo yung company ng bawat isa. Enjoy dyan sa Amerika. At huwag kayong mag-alala, God is with Rob. So, take care po always. God bless.
Best wishes from Blaster 5!
Jung Romy, Tita Lina, congratulations!
Hello po. Happy wedding po sa inyo, Chong Romy at Tita Lina. Wishing you all the best in the world.
Happy wedding po, Chong and Chang. Congratulations po sa inyo.
Happy lang po. Bye-bye.
Congratulations and best wishes, Chong Romy and Chang Lina. Naway samahan kayo ng Panginoon sa inyong pagsasama. More love and happiness. And I miss you, Chong. I love you.
Chong! Magandang araw po sa inyo. Wala po akong ibang hangad kundi ang kaligayahan ninyo. Congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. At sana maging masaya kayo. Lagi ko pong sinasabi sa inyo na nandito po tuwing nagkakwentuhan tayo. Ang buhay, pasiyahan na ngayon. Kaya kung saan ka masaya, Chong, syempre, dun kami. Ingat po kayo palagi. At magkikita pa tayo ulit. God bless.
Good morning, Lolo Romy and Lola Lina. In behalf of Papa and Mama and our whole family, Sawyer family, binabati ko po kayo ng happy wedding. Congratulations, Lolo and Lola Lina. Best wishes and God bless you always. Take care po sa inyo.
Morning, Chong. Happy wedding po sa inyong dalawa ni Chang. Sana po masaya po kayo dyan at malayo po sa karamdaman. Kami naman po rito, okay na okay at wala naman po kami masakit at lakas po kami. Naway masaya po ang wedding po dyan, ang asawa. Tagal pa rin po ang buhay at makita niyo pa po ang lahat ng mga mahal sa buhay. Yun lang po, Chong, sana po mag-iingat po kayo lagi dyan. Kami naman po rito, okay naman po kami at mag-iingat din po kami. Alam na sa aming kalusugan. Kayo rin po sa inyong kalusugan. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Di po, Chong, thank you po. At okay na po. Salamat po sa inyo, Chong, sa lahat-lahat po. Thank you po. God bless us all.
Hello po. Chong and Tita Lina, kamusta po kayo dyan? Congratulations po ulit on your wedding day. Talangin ko po sa Panginoon ng maayos, masaya, maganda, mapayaba niyo pong pagsasama. More love and blessings po sa araw-araw niyo pamumuhay. Sana po ay kalooban po kayo ng Panginoon ng marami pong pagmamahal sa araw-araw sa inyong buhay, Papa. Chong, Tita Lina. Kumusta po sa inyo dyan, sa lahat-lahat? At congratulations po ulit. We love you po. Bye-bye and God bless us.
Lola Lina and Lola Romy. Congrats po sa inyong sa inyong kasal po. And then best wishes. Sana po gabayan kayo ni Lord araw-araw, and then pray lang lagi kay Lord kapag may mga problema kayo mag-asawa. And then nandito lang kami for anything po kapag kailangan nyo kami. Then God bless Lord. Thank you. Ingat po.
Po. Basta kayo. Sana sa magandang kalagayan kayo dyan.
Masaya.
masaya kayo parati, maging masaya parati, kagaya. Yung lahat pa rin yung tulad ngayon, noon, ngayon.
Kung gano'ng ginagawa dito sa Pilipinas, pasyal-pasyal,
Wishes sa inyo, sana maging maligaya. Congratulations sa inyo.
Congratulations nga pala pa. Sabi na.
Congratulations. God bless. God bless sa inyo.
Congrats Lola Mami and Lola Romy for your marriage. I love you guys. Hi Lola Mami and Lola Romy. I'd like to say congratulations on your wedding. I miss you both and I love you and I hope to be with you all soon.
May mga ipit pa nga akong gaganda. Huwag mong ipitan yung aking masisira yung the bonding of the varieties cookies. Hi!
Tapos tingin dito.
I'm going to return a couple of things to you guys right now. I'm going to give you your vows, so what you guys are going to repeat to each other today. I'm going to keep the license because you're doing it here. It takes 2 to 3 weeks for it to get processed, okay? This is just your license, just your permission slip to get married, right? You're getting married today. Legally, you're married today, but your proof, you still need to request that. That is a separate application to obtain your marriage certificate, okay? Remember that. We will not notify you when that's ready, okay? I'll give you this for reference. This is an application for the marriage certificate, okay? So just because you did everything today doesn't mean you're all done, okay? You still need that proof of marriage, which is this application right here. Each copy is $17 a copy for that. Okay? Make sure, don't forget, because if you never come back, you're never gonna get a certificate. Okay? Here is a decorative certificate. This one holds no legal value. Okay? So anything to do with changing names, insurance, legal, this one isn't gonna work. This one, if you want to put it in a frame, if you want to place it somewhere, you can. Okay? So I'm gonna return those things to you guys. After the ceremony, I will have the witness sign for me, but that'll be after the ceremony. And then there's gonna be things that I'm gonna repeat to you, and you're gonna have to repeat back to me. That's fine, right? Because I'm asking her. I know you can complete your portion, but I need to make sure that she knows what she's doing. Okay? So you guys can face each other if you would like. You guys can hold hands if you would like. Please. Like I said, you guys are getting married. I'm not getting married, so you guys don't have to look at me. You guys can face each other. I do want to let everybody else know you cannot translate for them. They need to know what they're doing. Okay? I understand you want to help her out, but if she doesn't know what she's doing, that can be an issue for all of us. Okay? So I'm going to go slow for you. That way you understand me. Does that sound good? Yes? All right. I will let you know when I'm talking to you guys, okay? And the names are Romualdo,
Yes, sir.
Romualdo, and Fidelina, correct?
Yes,
okay. Marriage is an honorable estate. It is not to be entered into lightly or unadvisedly, but reverently, discreetly, and soberly. Into this relationship, these two persons come now to be joined. I, therefore, charge both of you that if you know any reason why you should not be joined in marriage, so please make it be known at this time. Romualdo, will you take Fidelina to be your wedded wife, to live together in the bonds of marriage? Will you love her, comfort, honor, and keep her so long as you both shall live?
Yes, sir.
Fidelina, will you take Romualdo to be your wedded husband, to live together in the bonds of marriage?
Will you love him, comfort, honor, and keep him, so long as you both shall live?
Yes, sir.
So now we're gonna move on to the vows. So groom is gonna repeat what I say. Okay? But you're gonna be facing her, okay? I, Romualdo.
I'm Romualdo.
Take thee, Fedelina.
I'm Fidelina.
No, you're repeating what I say.
Okay.
I will let you know when we get to you. Okay? Everything I'm saying right now, you have to say. Alright? I will let you know when we get to your portion. I, Romualdo.
I'm Romualdo.
Take thee, Fedelina.
Dear Fidelina.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wife.
To have.
To have.
And to hold.
And to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better.
For better.
Or worse.
Or worse.
For richer.
For richer.
Or poor.
Or poorer.
In sickness.
In sickness.
And in health.
And in health.
To love.
To love.
And to cherish.
And to cherish.
As long.
As
we. Both shall live.
Both shall live.
So now we're gonna move on to the bride. So now you're gonna repeat what I say, okay? I, Fedelina.
I, Fidelina.
Take thee.
Take thee.
So you need to repeat what I say.
I can't hear.
You want me to speak a little bit louder for you?
Yes, please.
Okay. We can start over that way. We get some rhythm, okay? I, Fedelina.
I, Fidelina.
Take thee. Take thee.
Take thee.
Romualdo.
Romualdo.
To be.
To be.
My wedded husband.
My wedded husband.
To have.
To have.
And to hold.
And to hold.
From this day forward. For better.
For better.
For worse.
For worse.
For richer.
For richer.
Or poor.
Or poor.
In sickness.
In sickness.
And in health.
And in health.
To love.
To love.
And to cherish.
And to cherish.
As long as we both shall live.
Both shall live.
Okay. So now we're gonna move on to the ring ceremony, okay? So I'm gonna have the groom place the ring on the ring. You're gonna put it there, you're gonna leave your hand, and you're gonna repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
With this ring,
I
thee wed, and pledge to you, my faithful love.
My faithful love.
Okay? So now we're gonna have the bride do the same thing. I think you can give the flowers to her, that way you guys don't have it in the way. There you go.
Nanginginig ako eh.
I hope don't be nervous.
Yeah, it's okay. No worries, okay? So you're gonna repeat after me, okay? With this ring, I thee wed, and pledge to you, my faithful love. Okay, so if you guys can keep your hands united, and as much as Romualdo and Fedelina have thus consented together marriage by virtue of the authority vested in me by the state of California as the Deputy Commissioner of Civil Marriages for the County of Riverside, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. Congratulations.
Yay! Kiss the bride. Picture.
You didn't do that bad, you did pretty good.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna return this to you guys. That's your information, and then I will need the witness for the signature.
Witness. Bayad daw ulit. Bayad daw ulit.
So you're right here, box 26A, just make sure to stay inside the box, please. All right. Okay, that might be an issue.
All right.
I'm gonna double check with that, okay? Like I said, you
Alright.
need to stay inside the box. I'm gonna have you guys come back, because I might have to print this out again, but I'm gonna double check, okay? Because I take it like this, and if there's an issue, it'll be more mess. So let me figure that out, okay? You guys can, take pictures, you can do what you need to, and then I will figure this information out, okay? Isa, isa dito. Ay, sige.
Video yan.
Natural lang ma.
My beautiful mama. Here she comes.
Asan si anak si Babs?
Delikado nito, hindi ako makainis.
Congratulations! Love you! Alam, walang hangin.
Pogi.
Bakit to?
Ubo. Lahat kami nag-ubo ako yung pinakalas.
This is the moment I've waited for. I can hear